Think your hidden Excel sheets are safe? There's a secret level called Very Hidden. So hidden, it doesn't even appear in the Unhide menu. In this tutorial, I'll show you both the normal way to hide sheets and the Very Hidden trick. Let's start with the traditional hide and unhide you probably use today. To hide a sheet the normal way, right-click the Sheet tab and choose Hide. Or you can also go to the Home tab, then in the Cells group, choose Format, then Hide and Unhide, and select Hide Sheet. Quick reminder, Excel won't let you hide the last visible sheet. At least one sheet must stay visible. For example, I'll right-click the Sales Data tab and choose Hide. If it's the last visible sheet, Excel will stop you. To unhide, right-click any sheet tab and choose Unhide, pick the sheet you want, and click OK. Now, Very Hidden is different. These sheets do not appear in the Unhide menu at all. They can only be toggled through the Visual Basic Editor or with a tiny macro. If you open the Unhide dialog and see nothing listed, that's your clue. Very Hidden sheets won't appear there. Here's how to make a sheet very hidden. Press Alt key and F11 on Windows, or Option, and F11 on a Mac to open the Visual Basic Editor. In the Project Explorer, click the sheet you want with. Example here, I will use the Pivot worksheet. If you don't see the Project Explorer, press Ctrl and R key, or go to View, then click Project Explorer. If you can't see the Properties window, press F4 key to open the Properties window. Next, find the Visible property and change to 1 to make the worksheet visible, or set 0 to hide the worksheet, which will be visible in the Hide and Unhide menu. Finally, choose Option 2, Excel Sheet Very Hidden. Close the editor. That sheet is now invisible to the Unhide menu. To bring it back, return to the Visual Basic Editor, select the sheet, and set the Visible property to 1, Excel Sheet Visible. Or you can also use the Immediate window. For this, press Ctrl and G, then type Worksheets, Sales Data within the bracket, with double quote, and .visible equal Excel Sheet Visible, and press Enter. Now the sheet will be visible. Use the traditional hide to reduce clutter, since anyone can easily unhide from the menu. And use Very Hidden to avoid accidental edits or when you don't want casual users to find your working sheets.
Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel for more Excel tips and tutorials. See you in the next episode.